lobsters. Look at those crabs. Durian fruit. Soup bowl is amazing. They ate a lot of spice. Imagine having something spicy for Becky. I'm pouring myself some more of this delicious soup. It has every kind of seafood in it. Fish, prawns, beautiful prawns. And it's full of flavor. And I think Thai cooking involves a lot of burnt garlic, lemongrass, and a bit of limes also. It gives a very punchy flavor.
It's almost like toddy.
Rice pudding on steroids. We are now at a Korean dessert shop. It looks very classy. It's on Walking Street. Becky, इसमें क्या-क्या है?
Looks like pretzels, cherries, walnuts. It's supposed to be caramel snow, which is basically frozen grated milk.
This is like prawn wafers.
Prawn wafers.
Try?
They're wafers, but they're not prawn.
There's the walking street of Pattaya. We are at a Turkish place and on Walking Street in Pattaya.
How is it?
Very good. It's lamb wrap.